everyone and welcome to Cook with Cook. Today we are going to make homemade strawberry jam. Now this recipe is very easy and makes the most delicious strawberry jam in the world. Your jam will be just perfect with my recipe. Now to make it we need the following ingredients. 400 gram strawberries, 1 teaspoon lemon juice and 125 gram castor sugar. Let's start. So now let's put our strawberries in the saucepan. I haven't cut the strawberries, as you can see. Now we'll put in our castor sugar and we'll mix it for 10 minutes. We will cook it until the sugar melts properly in the strawberries. Now as you can see, my sugar has started melting. We will keep on mixing it. Now our sugar has melted. Now we will just cook it until the strawberry softens. And then we'll mash it up. Now as you can see, the sugar has melted and the strawberry has dissolved in it. That is why we don't need water, because it is already a liquidy mixture. Now we proceed to the next step. For this we'll just mash the strawberries, but first we'll slow down the flame to start mashing. Now as you can see, it is mashed well. Now we will turn the flame to medium as it was before. At this stage we will add in the lemon juice. It is a very good preservative. Now we will keep on stirring the spatula for 15 to 20 minutes until it thickens out. Remember that you have to mash it until it leaves a pulpy texture. Don't mash it too much. It has been 15 minutes. Now let's check if it is ready or not. Here I have a plate which I put it in the freezer for 10 minutes. Put some of the jam on it. Let it set for 1 minute. This jam can be used in biscuit fillings. You can use it on cupcake toppings or cake toppings with whipping cream. It has many benefits. We'll just tilt it down a little. If it doesn't slip, it means it's ready. But if it slips immediately, it means it's not ready. So the jam is ready now. I have turned off the flame. Now we'll just let it cool down for a minute or two, and then we'll put it in a sterilized jar. I left it for 5 minutes and now it has cooled down. Let's put it in a jug. This jam can be kept for up to 6 months, but it should be stored in the refrigerator. Our strawberry jam is 100% complete and ready. But I have something to tell you. Just go and click that subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. And if you like this video, then give it a like and comment down below. Thank you everyone.